Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to move your character around in Unity. So currently there are two main ways to achieve this. One is using the transform method, which is basically changing the X and Y of your character. And the other one is using physics, which is rigid body 2D. So to start off with, you would want to have a player with a rigid body 2D component and a gravity scale set to 0, a box collider, and a player controller script that's gonna control our player. Let's double click it to open it up in Visual Studio and delete both of the using tags up there. We don't need them in this script. Now we would want to assign our transform. I'll make it private just for organization. If we want to tr equals get component transform. So basically what it's saying is tr equals a transform that sits on the player. Yep, so now we would want to ask the player for its input and then move the character accordingly. We're gonna do that using Axis. It's very simple. Go into Unity, go edit project settings, input manager, you can see all the axes. So for the horizontal axis, the negative button is left arrow key and the positive button is right arrow key. Which means if you hold down left, the value of the axis is gonna be -1. And if you hold down right, it's gonna be 1. And if there's no input at all, it's just gonna be 0. We just want to take the value, multiply by the speed, and we're done. So we'll name vector2, and let's name it I'll just name it velocity. I'll name it equals new vector2 input dot get axis raw. That's just gonna give us a bit more control of the input. Horizontal. Make sure to type it just like I did, otherwise it's not gonna work for you. Input dot get axis raw vertical. Make sure to put a semicolon at the end, and now we just need to move our player. So basically all it's saying is a vector2 named velocity is gonna be input get axis raw horizontal, so the horizontal axis, and a vertical axis, which is up and down. Now we would want to move our character. Go tr dot translate brackets and a semicolon at the end. We just go velocity times velocity. Now we need our speed. So we go public float speed. So time velocity by the speed and time it by time dot delta time. This will make sure that faster computers don't move your character way too fast. So if you have a faster computer, your character will move the same speed as if you have a slower computer. If you save it and go into Unity, click on our player, go to inspector, and set the speed to something like 20. We should see the results. You can use the VSD keys or the arrow keys. And here it is. It moves. It moves way too quick, so I'll just set the speed to something like 10. Here we go. Thank you so much if you made it this far into the video. I'll be showing you the way to move your character using rigid body in the next episode. And just want to mention, if you hit that like button, it's gonna help me a lot, like a lot. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.